Bitcoin hit a new record high today, nearly reaching $90,000 for the first time ever.
President-elect Donald Trump was once a skeptic of the digital currencies, but apparently now he's changing his tune. Fox 9's Arthur Chan joining us live in the newsroom with more on Trump's impact on crypto. Arthur.
Teresa, Steve, the impact is absolute, especially after promising on the campaign trail to ease regulations and to cut back some enforcement of securities laws. While crypto experts right now are trying to figure out where the sudden influx of cash is coming from, they don't think it's inside the U.S. Nonetheless, the fact that cryptocurrencies have shot up at this point is undeniable. Just how well is Bitcoin doing? Well, you don't have to be an expert with graphs to see. It's doing pretty well, setting a new high. Cryptocurrencies as a whole have skyrocketed since Donald Trump's victory on election night, mirroring the meteoric rise for stocks. Also, since last Tuesday. Nicholas D. is managing editor of global policy and regulation at CoinDesk.
We're just seeing Bitcoin break its record all-time highs over the last couple days.
Other crypto assets are also taking off, and one of the ones in the top 10, Cardano ADA, has jumped a dramatic 80%. So what exactly is driving the frenzy? Trump's promises on the campaign trail that he will be a crypto-friendly president.
Upon taking office, I will immediately appoint a Bitcoin and Crypto Presidential Advisory Council.
During the past 4 years, the Biden administration has taken steps to regulate the volatile crypto industry, in part prompted by the collapse of FTX and the downfall of Sam Bankman-Fried, also known as SBF. The former FTX brainchild was convicted of fraud and related crimes last year. His companies collapsed into bankruptcy. He is serving 25 years in prison. Cryptocurrency experts say the new Trump administration isn't just expected to ease back regulations, but a sweep of the presidency, the Senate, and the House means pro-crypto legislation could pass within the next year. But there is also a word of caution that the work inside the crypto industry hasn't changed since Election Day, just how investors feel about it. And there's a lesson from history here.
Longtime crypto investors are going to remember the days of, you see 10% swings in either direction. So it went up pretty quickly. It can go down pretty quickly.
If or when, rather, regulations in the crypto industry are rolled back, our expert says we would be smart to be wary of any companies that make really big promises. And worth repeating the caution, never invest more than you can afford to lose. In the newsroom, Arthur Chan, Fox 5 News. Steve, back to you.
Yeah, well said. All right, thanks, Arthur.